So in dealing with powers of 10, I sometimes like to think of a number line, and maybe you'll find this useful as well. So I like to think of a number line that has the number 1 in the middle, and then each time we move one go up the number line, we multiply by 10. So the next space along will be 1 times 10, which is equal to 10. And then so on, times 10 each time we move one space to the right. So this will be 100, 1000, 10,000, and so on. And equally, we could write this as an exponential number. So this would be 10 to the power 1, as we've seen. 10 to the power 0, silly me. 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 3, 4, and etc. And if we carry on all the way to the end of this line, we get to infinity. And these are all bigger numbers that are greater than 1. Greater than 1. Then how about if we go the other way? So what number do we multiply by 10 to get to 1? That number would be 0.1, or 10 to the power minus 1. So we're subtracting one number from the exponent as we go to the left here, and so on. Let's just draw this out. So that would give us 0.01, 0.001, 0.0001, and so on. And if we go all the way down to the end of the line this way, we would get to 0. So all these numbers are greater than 0. But they are less than 1. And you'll notice that if you look at the number of the exponent, so as we go along from 1 towards the bigger numbers, as we increase the value of the exponent by 1, the numbers get bigger and bigger. But as we go to the left, minus 4 sometimes seems like a bigger number than minus 3, but actually it's further away from 1. We're getting closer towards 0. So that can be quite counterintuitive when you're doing these calculations. So those are some things I find useful sometimes when thinking about powers of 10.